Namaste everyone. How are you all today? Hope you all the students are fine as well. So, once again today I like to welcome you all, especially the students from grade 4 in my English class. Today the students we are going to learn some part of English grammar where we'll be talking about articles. It's not the new topic for the students of grade 4 but also as per the content given to us in English grammar, we'll be talking about it. Now, with no any delay, just let's have a look at how can we use the article or where can we use it. Now, please check it at the slide. The use of article or. We use article or before a countable and singular noun. Countable which can be counted and singular means single in number. Don't forget children, we have already learned about singular and plural and countable and uncountable in our previous grades too. So children, now today we too have the use of article or in front of the countable and singular noun. So, before using the article or, we need to find out what are countable and what are singular nouns. So, we need to identify it. So, children, the main use of article or is in front of the countable and singular noun. There are more examples given in the slide as well. They are a boy, a single boy, beside that a jug and a goal, a kite, a water bottle. It's not a water, it's a water bottle. And then a table, a queen, a book and a door. These are just the examples only. And another one more thing, if you have focused in each and every word is the word they are started with consonant sound. I did not say consonant letters, but it's consonant sound. While speaking, while pronouncing the words which gives the consonant sound, except A, E, I, O, U vowel, they are consonant sound. So, the initial letters consisting in a word which are consonant letters or with consonant sound, there we can use A. You can check it out once again the examples for more descriptions. Now dear children, we are going for the use of an. How can we use an? Where can we use an? In comparison to the article or, an is also used with singular countable noun. Singular countable noun. But children, in the use of or, we have said that if the words have consonant sound, then only we use the article or, but in the use of an, the word should be with vowel sound. The sound of A, E, I, O, U. So that we can use the article an in front of them. You can have more examples there in your slide as well. The examples are an apple, a sound. Apple starting with A but a sound. The next one, an orange, O sound. An eagle, E sound consisting vowel sound. An ink, ink, E sound starting with vowel letters but with vowel sound. The next one, an umbrella, A sound. The next one, an egg, egg, A sound. An ice cream, A sound, ice cream. The next one, an R. Remember children, I have already said you again and again that the words which have consonant sound, not the consonant letters only, they consist the article A, but the word which are with vowel sound, then they consist of the article an. So I said an, are. A sound is there with H-O-U-R. Don't be confused with the use of H in the beginning of the word are, but H is silenced there, so that we can use an in front of are. So an hour, it's one of the part of our day and also one of the unit of time. The next example you can see there, an aeroplane, a sound, an aeroplane. So dear children, you might have got some more descriptions from the examples too, that o should be used with the latest consonant sound with singular and countable nouns. But an is used along with singular countable nouns, but it should have vowel sound with the words. Doesn't matter how it has been started with, which initial letter is there, but the sound should be vowel, so that we can use an there. Now going towards the next article. Next article is the. What can be the use of the differently? We have already used a, we have already used an, and we also have to go for the use of the. So what can be the use of the? Now let's check it out. The use of article the, it's before a definite noun or nouns. Indefinite, definite. Definite simply can be described as specific. We should be given emphasis, we should be preferable, and we should be given importance. So at that time, with the indefinite noun we do not use the, but with definite noun we should use the. That should be before definite noun. The next one is there, it's for both singular and plural, no matter whether the nouns are singular in form or they are plural in form. Comparatively with a or an, we use generally singular countable noun, but in the use of the, we must know that the can be used either with singular or with plural, but that should be specific. Now the next use of the is before a repeated noun in a sentence, in place or instead of a or an. The repeated noun. If we have two different sentences like I have seen a boy in the park. Remember children, you just have to listen for knowing the use of the. I have seen a boy in the park. I have seen a boy. A single boy, singular in form, countable. The boy was very unhappy. The boy was very unhappy. Within those two sentences, the same word boy has been repeated, but in the beginning or in the first sentence we have used the article o to denote the singular countable, but in second sentence we have used the article the. That means the boy is repeated to emphasize the repetition of the boy. We have used the article the. The next one is there, it's just for singular and plural, it's for the repetition or the preference or the importance. When we have to give, there we can use the article the. But children, we do have lots of such things or lots of such tips which we have to remember while using the article the. Do you want to listen? Let's check out in the slide. The examples we can make by ourselves. We will just find out the further information about where can we use the. The first one, that is the most important one, it's name of the historical places which are specific in form. Like, if we go to Kathmandu Valley, Pashupatinath temple is one. It's important to us. It should be given emphasis or preference, so that we use the article the Pashupatinath temple. It's single in number, so that we use the. Is it all right to all? Okay, now let's move on to the next one. It's all about some of the countries. Not only in every countries of the world we use the, but in some of the countries we have to use the. For example, United States of America. Certainly we use USA. We use the USA if we have to use the USA in the sentence. Similarly, UK, United Kingdom, we call in its full form. So when we have to take the name, the short form or the full form of UK or United Kingdom, we need to use the article the. Remember children, you also can note it down for your further information so that it will be easier for you to complete your assignment later. Now the next one is there about political parties. There are so many political parties in our country. Congress party we called, and Communist party we called, even Maoist we call. So those all the name consist of, the party's name consists of the in front of them while using. The Congress party, the Communist. So now let's check out the next one. It's with superlative adjective. We don't have any doubt about superlative adjective because last week we have learned about it while comparing comparative adjective, superlative adjective in terms if we have to compare. So when we are using the superlative adjective, we have to compulsorily use the article the there. The longest, the largest, the most beautiful. In the same way, other different words in superlative form can be used with the article the. You can check it out the next information about the seas and oceans of the world. If we talk about Pacific Ocean, that is one of the ocean of the world. So what we write there is the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. So talking about seas, Amazon, the Amazon. And if we have to talk about the rivers also, we can do the same. They are specific, they are single in number, they are important to each and every one. Now the next one is there, dear children. It's about geographical regions and ranges. When we talk about the three different geographical regions of our country, what we do say there, Tarai region, Himalayan region and hilly region. When we have to indicate them anywhere, then we just have to indicate with the article the. The Tarai region, the Himalayan region, the hilly region. Similarly, we are having lots of mountain ranges, and in front of those mountain ranges also we have to write the article the Himalayan ranges. So that is what we can use to make it specified. The next one is there about single body organ of the human. We are having some of the body organs. Internally, we have single body organs like how we breathe, through which organs we breathe, lungs. So, what do we have to write there? The lungs. Which body organ helps to pump the blood? Heart. The heart. We have kidney in our two sides, that is the internal organ, which also can be used or indicated by the article the. So, in the same way, other organs also can be used as the instances for your better learning. The next one is there we have newspaper. Newspaper gives the news and the information. Like we are in lockdown, we are having lots of victims or sufferers of coronavirus these days. How do we get this? Through the newspaper. Obviously, you may be telling there, I watch TV to know the news. I sometimes go to YouTube to search the news, but newspapers are also the most. That is the written articles with some of the pictures we can get regarding some more informations or regarding the time friendly informations. So, where the newspaper, if we have to indicate with their name, then most of the time or all the time we have to use the article the. The Kantipur Daily, the Himalayan Times, the Republica, these are some of the common examples we can take. Some more examples, if you know about the newspaper or name of the newspaper, that also can be acquired from the different means. The next one is there, that is in the next part, it's all about the name of the rivers. We are having lots of rivers in our country, not only in our country but in the world, all over the world. In the different countries, different rivers are located, which also can be indicated, specified by the use of the. The Karnali, that is one of the most common example, the Koshi, the Seti river. So, in such a way, other rivers from other countries also can be adopted as the example for it. Now, the next one is there, dear children, it's all about the name of the desert. We have heard about the name Sahara Desert, which can be indicated by the example or the article the Sahara Desert. It's not only the limited examples that I have been providing to you, dear children, but you can search a lot. You can find a lot where we can use the article the. But remember children, the specific, the single, where we can use the article the there. The next one, that is also one more important tips to be used with the article the, that is post or positions. If we have to talk about our principal sir, he is the principal of our school, the principal. He is the chairman of our office, the. She is the first woman prime minister of our country, or she is the first woman president of our country. The president, the prime minister, the principal, the chairman. So, other different examples you can acquire. Now, the next one is there about directions. We have 4 different directions. We are known to that. It's not difficult for any level of student. We are having east, west, north and south. So, when we have to indicate those all the directions, then what we write there? It's the east, the west, the north, the south, the. Because they are single. We do not have any other directions there. We cannot say east to anything else. So, that should be specific with the use of the. The next one is there, babies. It's all about heavenly bodies. We have listened the sky, the sun, the moon, the planet, the satellite, the comets. So, those all the heavenly bodies consist of the article the in them, so that we can make them important, emphasized, preferable and specific. Now, the dear children, we have at last but not the least, there are other different options also. When we get time in other different classes, we will be talking about that. But here in our list, it's at last but not the least, musical instrument. We enjoyed a lot listening to music. The instruments are used here to play the music of the different types. So, when we have to declare the names of the musical instrument, then what we have to write there? It's the piano, it's piano, the drum, dum, and the violin, violin, the harmonium, which is mostly played by our father, by our grandfather, and even by us to enjoy our ability. So, in the same way, dear children, we can have lots of practices in this use. Now, dear children, we are hurriedly going for one exercise that also can be assigned to you. Firstly, we will discuss and you can jot down in your notebook. If you are ready, please have a check in the slide. The exercise is given there with the use of a and or the where necessary. Now, let's find out according to our understanding level, we will be trying to do that exercise. Is it all right? Please be prepared with your notebook and pencil or pen. Now, dear children, the first instruction is given there. It's all about fill up the articles. Now, the first sentence is there. There are altogether 8 sentences given to you. The first sentences you can have a check there. I saw that movie last night. What could be the article there? I saw a movie last night. A single movie. Ma with consonant sound. Movie. So that you can write, I saw a movie last night. The next sentence is there. I read amazing story. A amazing story. An amazing story. The amazing story. So obviously, the adjective amazing is used there with the vowel sound a. So we write an amazing story. The next one is there. Have you heard about Indian Ocean? Just before I provided the example along with the use of article the. So children, you can write there, have you heard about the Indian Ocean? Now, the next one in number D. You can hurriedly write down in your notebook as well, reminding to you to write down, I don't know how to play harmonium. This was the last information along with the use of the article given. So, you can write there, I don't know how to play the harmonium. Now, the next one is there. Jack was English singer, E sound. Jack was an English singer. The next one is there. In number F, he is engineer. E sound, vowel sound. So, what do we write there? It's single in number and engineer. The next one is there in number G. They are staying at hotel. What could be the article used there? Yes, obviously, ho sound is there, consonant sound, and we can use a hotel. The next one, it's at last but not the least. Do you want to go to The restaurant where we first met. The restaurant where we first met. So dear children, hopefully all the students will be practicing the use of article some more. You will be checking your books also for finding some more activities where you can go through so that you will have better understanding. And hope to see you very soon. Thank you so much.